so I'm showing you the drink area. I set it up yesterday. Had to wash all the containers out, of course. And those are my son's favorite cookies around the holidays, which come in those blue tin pans. I just took them out and put them in there. It's not a lot of light in here, so hopefully you can see. I may need to get some light because I don't want this to look dull. Hold on. Yeah, I just turned on that light to make it a little bit brighter. So yeah, that's the cookies. Okay, and these are dark chocolate coated with peppermint cookie stirrers. So these are cookie stirrers. This is a cookie hot chocolate spoon, cookie spoon, and so these are for the kids. They're going to love that with their hot chocolate. They actually had hot chocolate last night. These are some Ferrero Rocher chocolate balls. These are huge, and we had one. It was 4 of them, and now there's 3 left. But yeah, those are really good. It's a lot of chocolate though. And here in the back we have chocolate almonds, marshmallows, cocoa, which is, this is the hot chocolate in there. These 2 cups, which it came with the set of the Baileys. They're just 2 clear cups, and I have more clear cups for them. A little Christmas tree on my coasters, my Keurig, which I haven't fired up yet, which I can't wait to do. Yeah, so I think we're gonna just do hot chocolate for the holidays, but I do love how everything came out. And the kids are going to love it. So they already had a little sneak peek, but today they get to put their little spoons and stirs in their hot chocolate. So I do love how that turned out. And then with the actual drinks over there for the adults, I think that's all we really get. And then I have these beautiful flowers that Bae bought me, which I love. So pretty. I bought Ariana some pink ones, and I kind of made the bouquet because they came in like bunches. That clip might be in the beginning, but everything came out so good. Everything is so nice and clean, and yeah, about to get ready to start our day. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. I'll let you watch the kids open the gifts. Love yourself.